So Japan seeks to allow certain VCs to invest directly in crypto and Web3 startups. Anybody else want to go to Japan? I want to go to Japan. I actually have never been to Japan, and I want to go to Japan so much. I really want to go to Japan. I want to see it. I want to see what Japan's like. I want to see what the Japan lifestyle is like. I've been watching anime my whole life. I want to go to Japan. I really do. Okay, so moving on though. Quick take. The proposed revision to existing law, if enacted, could be a huge opportunity for Web3 startups in Japan, one local expert said. The Japanese cabinet has approved a proposal to add cryptocurrencies to the list of assets that local investment limited partnerships can acquire or hold. The Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry announced on February 16. The ministry said in a Friday announcement that the approved revision, which contains amendments to the Act of Strengthening Industrial Competitiveness, would expand strategic investment to provide support for local startups and medium-sized companies. Such revision would allow venture capital firms to invest in projects that only issue cryptocurrencies. Local news outlet CoinPost reported on Saturday, following the cabinet approval, the bill has been submitted to the legislative body and will be deliberated upon, the ministry said in a statement. Limited partnerships in Japan often serve the purpose of investing in unlisted companies, which has become a common measure for VCs to invest in startups, according to local news outlet CoinPost. Under Japanese rules, up until now, VCs were not able to invest in crypto assets. Hiro Kunimitsu, founder and CEO of Gumi Inc, I know them, wrote in an X post. Gumi is a Japanese game development firm that has launched its own blockchain firm, Gumi, Crypto's Capital. Kunimitsu explained in his X post that Japanese crypto projects have to source capital from foreign venture capitals, which has been a huge obstacle for funding. I think that the fact that Japanese venture capitalists can now invest will be a big opportunity for many Web3 startups from Japan, Kunimitsu said. Under Prime Minister Fumio Kishida's new capitalism policy, Japan has been pushing to cultivate its Web3 industry. In December, the Japanese cabinet approved a revision to its tax regime that could exclude companies from paying taxes on unrealized profits from crypto. We are in Japan. I want to go to Japan, and thanks to Japan for allowing crypto to be invested in by VCs, which means that VCs are going to be going to Japan, which means there's going to be parties in Japan, which means there's going to be crypto events in Japan, which means that we're taking flights to Japan, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, we're going to Japan. It's happening.